Hey guys, welcome to this new tutorial. In this video, we're going to be going over the charts section. So to get to the charts section, open any collection and press on charts. The charts section has many different charts. The first one we see is floor price chart. The floor price chart gives us a historical data about the collection's floor price. The buyers sellers chart gives us information about the amount of people buying NFTs compared to the amount of people listing NFTs. The listings chart instead shows us two things: total listings on one side and daily listings on the other side, of course in the selected time frame. And then we have the owners chart. The owners chart shows us the unique owners over time, depending on the period you set. Then we have the volume chart, which shows us the amount of collection volume in Ethereum in the selected time frame. Then we have a sales chart showing us the amount of sales in different time frames based on the selected period. And then we have the average price, which is the average price of sold NFTs over the set period of time. That's it for the chart section. It was very simple. See you in the next tutorial.